We got a Harrison 15 by 30 geared head lathe. It's inch only. Looks like your speeds are 1500 all the way down to 35. It's a 2-speed motor, and it's wired 220, and that's where it'll have to stay, is 220. It's got a pneumatic. We got a pneumatic collet closer, 5C collet closer. I'll show you photos of that. It's running right now, and okay, now there's your compound. The saddle was going before. There is a travel dial, and the travel dial does work. Of course, you won't see it running on the cross, but there you go. So, really nice ways on this lathe. Alright, threading. What's that? What do you got running there? Okay, and yeah, the threading is running. But look at the ways on here. It's a gap bed. Get you all the specs on it. It's got a cabinet below with the lock on it. This lathe was rebuilt at one time by Twin City machine tool builders.